Throughout history, humanity has experienced several major technological revolutions that changed the way people live and work. The invention of agriculture allowed civilizations to grow. The Industrial Revolution introduced machines that transformed production, and the digital revolution connected the world through computers and the internet. Today, society is entering another transformative era, the age of artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, recognizing patterns, understanding language, solving problems, and making decisions. Although AI was once considered a futuristic concept found only in science fiction movies and novels, it has become a reality that affects millions of people every day. From voice assistants and recommendation systems to advanced medical software and self-driving vehicles, AI is increasingly integrated into modern life. Many experts believe that AI will become one of the most influential technologies ever developed. It has the potential to improve industries, accelerate scientific discoveries, and solve complex global challenges. At the same time, it raises important questions about ethics, employment, privacy, and the relationship between humans and machines. Understanding AI is essential because its impact will continue to grow in the coming decades. To appreciate its significance, it is necessary to explore how it is transforming society, the opportunities it creates, and the challenges it presents. Artificial intelligence is already changing nearly every sector of society. One of the most important areas is healthcare. AI-powered systems can analyze medical scans, identify diseases at an early stage, and assist doctors in developing treatment plans. These technologies help improve accuracy while reducing the time needed for diagnosis. Researchers are also using AI to discover new medicines and better understand complex diseases. Education is another field experiencing significant changes. Traditional classrooms often struggle to meet the unique needs of every student. AI-powered learning platforms can adapt lessons to individual learning styles and speeds, providing personalized educational experiences. Students who need additional support can receive targeted assistance, while advanced learners can progress more quickly. In business, AI has become a powerful tool for increasing efficiency and productivity. Companies use AI to analyze customer behavior, predict market trends, automate repetitive tasks, and improve decision-making. Customer service chatbots can answer questions around the clock, allowing businesses to provide support more quickly and at a lower cost. Transportation is also being transformed. Self-driving vehicle technology continues to develop, with the goal of reducing accidents caused by human error. AI systems can process information from cameras and sensors in real time, helping vehicles navigate safely and efficiently. Logistics companies use AI to optimize delivery routes, reducing costs and environmental impact. Scientific research has benefited enormously from AI. Researchers can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than humans, enabling breakthroughs in fields such as astronomy, biology, climate science, and physics. Problems that once required years of analysis can now be addressed in a fraction of the time. As AI becomes more advanced, its ability to enhance productivity and innovation will likely expand even further, creating opportunities that are difficult to imagine today. Despite its many benefits, artificial intelligence also presents serious challenges. One of the most discussed concerns is the impact on employment. As automation becomes more capable, certain jobs may become obsolete. Tasks that involve repetitive or predictable activities are especially vulnerable to replacement by machines. While AI may create new industries and career opportunities, workers will need to adapt by learning new skills and embracing lifelong education. Bias and fairness are also major concerns. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects existing social biases, the AI may produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, hiring algorithms or lending systems could unintentionally favor certain groups over others. Ensuring fairness requires careful design, testing, and oversight. Privacy is another important issue. Many AI applications rely on collecting large amounts of personal data. While this information can improve services, it also creates risks related to surveillance, security breaches, and misuse of sensitive information. Governments and organizations must establish clear regulations to protect individual rights. The rise of AI-generated content introduces additional challenges. Modern AI systems can create realistic text, images, videos, and audio recordings. While these capabilities offer creative and educational benefits, they can also be used to spread misinformation or create deceptive content. Society must develop methods to verify information and maintain trust in digital communication. There are also broader philosophical questions about the future role of AI. As machines become increasingly capable, people may need to reconsider what makes human intelligence unique. Discussions about responsibility, accountability, and decision-making will become increasingly important as AI systems gain influence over critical aspects of daily life. Artificial intelligence represents one of the most significant technological developments in human history. Its applications are transforming healthcare, education, transportation, business, and scientific research, offering opportunities to improve quality of life and address global challenges. AI has the potential to increase productivity, accelerate innovation, and expand human knowledge in ways that were once unimaginable. However, the benefits of AI are not guaranteed. The technology must be developed and used responsibly. Governments, businesses, researchers, and citizens all share responsibility for ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests. Ethical guidelines, transparent regulations, and public education will play crucial roles in shaping its future. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human beings, it is more productive to see it as a powerful tool that can enhance human capabilities. Machines may excel at processing information and performing specific tasks, but human creativity, empathy, judgment, and moral reasoning remain essential. The most successful future will likely be one in which humans and intelligent technologies work together. The story of artificial intelligence is still being written. The decisions made today will influence how this technology affects future generations. If guided wisely, AI can become a force for progress, helping create a world that is healthier, more efficient, and more connected. The challenge is not whether AI will shape the future. It already is. The real challenge is ensuring that the future it shapes is one that benefits everyone.